Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to show you voice programming. In voice programming, we are going to change male voice to female voice. And in second program, I am going to recite the whole text. So in this program, the text written 5 got pronounced in the voice file using my program. And today, as well as showing program, I will show you the how the code works, how which line of code do what, and I am going to fully I am going to show you how these things work. So now I am going to run this program. So this program going to convert my male voice to female voice. The thing which I am going to tell to the computer going to repeat the same word in the female voice. So now I am running the program. So let's run the program. How are you? What are you doing?
How are you? What are you doing?
Again, we are going to run the program. What do you like?
What do you like?
So as you can see, this program is going to convert my male voice to female voice. So let's see how this program work. So this is import pyttsx. It is the library. This library going to recite the words which I am going to say. Means it is the library. In the library which you give an string, and this with the help of this library and the function inside this library helps to recite the word. Speech recognition as SR. This is the speech recognition library. Suppose if I say anything, so this with this help of this library, we can able to recognize the speech which I am going to speak. So let's take a variable R equal to SR dot recognizer. So we are initializing after with SR macrophone. So we are activating macrophone and as a source. After activating the macrophone, this is the audio which going to listen which what I speak, and after what I speak, this print statement going to print the thing which going to speak. After this all thing happening, this is the error, different type of error sometimes it shows. So again we are going to initialize pyttsx library. After this we are going to change the property of the voice. So voice 1 stand for female voice. So after that engine.say, this statement going to recite the string which going inside this function. Suppose aman3. So in aman3 actually is the word which I said to the Google speech recognition is going to store in the string form, and we are giving this string into engine.say. So what happened? So the computer going to recite the statement which I speak in the female voice. So this is the way the program works. Suppose if we like to say something, say some text. Suppose we have to recite some text. So what you we can do? Suppose we want to recite some text or some random statement. Suppose like what is your name? So this is the text statement, or you can fill any statement. You can fill whole story inside this function. So what this program going to do? This program going to do, it's going to recite this statement. So as you can see, I am running the program.
What is your name? My name is Aman.
So as you can see, this program is reciting.
What is your name? My name is Aman. I like painting, sports, etc.
So as you can see, whatever we insert inside this engine dot say, so this program going to recite that word. So we can recite the whole story in that. If if we want to recite some text or messages which come to our phone, so with the help of this program we can do that. So this in this way this program works.